Hey, welcome back. Today we are talking about branding, and I want to start by saying something that most branding videos will not tell you. You do not need to spend money to look professional. A lot of people assume that having a consistent, polished brand identity requires expensive software, a graphic designer, or at minimum, a paid subscription to something. That is not true. Everything I'm going to show you today is completely free. Free to sign up, free to use, no trial period, no credit card required. By the end of this video, you will have a logo, a color palette, a font pairing, and a brand reference guide that keeps all of your designs looking consistent, using tools that anyone can access right now. Let us get into it. Before we start building anything, let me explain what a brand identity actually is, because a lot of people confuse it with just having a logo. Your brand identity is the complete visual and tonal system that makes your content recognizable. It is the combination of your logo, your colors, your fonts, and the way you write and communicate. When all of those elements are consistent across everything you put out, people start to recognize you before they even read your name. Think about why you instantly recognize certain brands just from a color or a font style. That instant recognition is the result of consistent application of the same visual elements over time. You are building the exact same thing, just at your scale and with free tools. The 5 things you need to define for a complete brand identity are your logo, your color palette, your font pairing, your brand voice, and a reference guide that holds all of it in one place. We are going to build all 5 today. This step happens before you open any design tool, and it is the one most people skip, which is exactly why most people end up with a brand that looks inconsistent, even when they are trying to be consistent. Spend 10 minutes answering these 3 questions honestly. First, what is your brand about, and who is it for? Write one clear sentence, not a paragraph, one sentence. If you cannot describe your brand in one sentence, your visual identity will reflect that confusion. Second, what 3 words would you want someone to use to describe your brand after seeing it for the first time? These words will guide every visual decision you make. If your 3 words are calm, trustworthy, and minimal, your color palette and font choices should reflect that. If your 3 words are bold, energetic, and fun, they will look completely different. Third, what is your brand voice? This is how you sound in writing. Are you formal or conversational? Serious or playful? Technical or simple? Write 2 or 3 sentences in your brand voice right now, before any visuals exist. This becomes your reference for every caption, headline, and piece of copy you write inside your designs. Write these answers down. They are the foundation that everything else gets built on. Canva's free plan includes a fully functional logo maker with hundreds of templates. You do not need Canva Pro for this. Go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. In the search bar, type logo and press enter. You will see a large collection of free logo templates. Filter by the ones that feel closest to your 3 brand words from the previous section. Click on a template to open it in the editor. Here is what to customize. Change the name text to your brand name. Change the tagline if there is one. Change the colors to match the palette you are going to define in the next section. If you do not have your palette yet, just note the template colors for now and come back to update the logo once you do. For the font, pick one that matches your brand personality. Bold and heavy for strong brands. Light and elegant for minimal brands. Rounded and soft for friendly brands. Change the font in the template by clicking the text, selecting the font name, and typing a new one to search. When your logo looks right, download it twice. First as a PNG with a white background for use on light backgrounds. Second, as a PNG with a transparent background by clicking the checkbox that says Transparent Background on the download screen. The transparent version is free on Canva's free plan and is essential for placing your logo on top of images and colored designs without a white box around it. Save both files in a folder on your computer called Brand Assets. Everything you create today goes in this folder. The best free tool for building a color palette is Coolors. Go to coolors.co. No account required. When you open Coolors, it shows you a randomly generated 5-color palette. Press the spacebar to generate a new one. Keep pressing until you land on something that feels aligned with your 3 brand words. When you find a palette you like, you can lock individual colors you want to keep by clicking the lock icon on that color, then pressing spacebar to regenerate only the unlocked ones. This lets you fine-tune the palette until every color feels intentional. For a beginner-friendly brand palette, aim for these roles. 1 primary color that is your most recognizable brand color. 1 secondary color that complements it. 1 accent color for buttons, highlights, and callouts. 1 light neutral for backgrounds. 1 dark neutral for text. Once your palette is set, Coolors shows you the hex code for each color directly beneath the swatch. A hex code is a 6-character code preceded by a hash symbol that represents an exact color. Copy each hex code and write it down in your Brand Assets folder alongside the colors role. For example, primary, #2C3E50. Secondary, #E74C3C. These hex codes are what you will type into Canva every time you add a color to a design, ensuring your colors are always exactly right. Coolors is completely free, no account required, no subscription. Go to fonts.google.com. This is Google's free font library with over 1,000 fonts, all completely free to use for personal and commercial projects. You need 2 fonts, a heading font and a body font. Here's the rule for pairing them. Your heading font creates personality. They should contrast each other enough to look intentional, but complement each other enough to feel like a set. The most reliable free pairing approach is to choose a distinctive or slightly decorative font for headings, and a clean, neutral sans serif for body text. Some reliable free pairings to consider are Playfair Display for headings, with Source Sans 3 for body, or Montserrat for headings, with Open Sans for body, or Railway for headings, with Lato for body. In Google Fonts, use the filter panel on the left to narrow by categories like serif, sans serif, or display. When you find a font you like, click on it to see a preview at different sizes and weights. The Select button adds it to a collection at the bottom of the screen. Write down your 2 chosen font names in your Brand Assets folder. Label them Heading Font and Body Font. You do not need to download the font files to use them in Canva, because Canva already has Google Fonts built into its free library. Just type the font name in the Canva font search bar, and it will appear. Now that you have your logo, your colors, and your fonts, you need one document that holds all of it together. This is your brand reference guide, and it replaces the paid brand kit feature. Open a new design in Canva using the free plan. Set the dimensions to A4, or a custom size like 1200 by 1600 pixels. This is your master brand document. Lay it out in sections. At the top, add your logo. Place both versions, the standard and the transparent background version, side by side so you can see them together. Below the logo, add a color palette section. Create 5 rectangle shapes, 1 for each brand color. Fill each rectangle with its hex code by clicking the shape, going to the color picker, clicking the plus sign to add a new color, and typing the hex code. Add a text label beneath each rectangle with the color name, its role, and its hex code. Below the colors, add a font section. Type your brand name in your heading font at a large size. Write a sample sentence in your body font below it. Label each with the font name. At the bottom, add a short text block with your 3 brand words and your 2 or 3 brand voice sentences. When it is done, download this page as a PNG or PDF and save it in your Brand Assets folder. This is your single reference document. Anytime you open Canva to design something, open this file in a separate browser tab, or keep it pinned so your colors, fonts, and logo are always a glance away. This takes the place of the paid brand kit. Instead of automatic application, you reference manually, but the result is the same. Every design you make uses exactly the right colors and fonts every time. Now let me show you how to actually apply your brand identity inside Canva on the free plan. Open any template in Canva. Before you change anything, open your brand reference guide in a browser tab next to it. Start with colors. Click on any colored element in the template. The color picker opens. Click the plus sign to add a custom color. Type your primary hex code and press enter. The element updates to your brand color. Do this for each colored element in the template. Once you have entered your hex codes once, they will appear in your recent colors section at the top of the color picker for the rest of that session, making it faster as you go. Move to fonts. Click on any text element and change the font by typing your heading or body font name in the font search bar. Apply your heading font to titles and your body font to descriptive text and captions. Replace any placeholder images with your own or with free images from Unsplash, which is searchable directly inside Canva for free. Choose images that match the mood of your 3 brand words. Add your logo to the design by uploading it from your Brand Assets folder using the Uploads tab in the left panel. Drop it into position. When you are done, this template looks like yours, not like everyone else who used the same starting template. That transformation is entirely the result of consistently applying your brand colors, fonts, and logo, all of which you defined and documented for free. Building your brand identity is a one-time setup. Keeping it consistent is an ongoing habit. Here are 3 things that make consistency easier over the long run. First, always work from your brand reference guide. Before you start any new design, glance at your reference. This takes 5 seconds and prevents the gradual drift that happens when you start picking colors from memory instead of from exact hex codes. Second, when you finish a design that you are proud of and that represents your brand well, save a copy of it as a template in your Canva free account by duplicating it and renaming it Brand Template, then the format name. Next time you need that format, start from your branded version instead of a blank template. Third, do a quarterly brand audit. Every 3 months, pull up 5 or 6 recent designs and look at them together. Do they look like they belong to the same brand? Are the colors consistent? Are the fonts consistent? If something looks off, trace it back to where you deviated and update your reference guide if your brand has evolved. A brand is not something you set once and forget. It grows and refines over time. The goal is slow, intentional evolution rather than random inconsistency. And that is your complete free brand identity system. A logo from Canva Free, a color palette from Colors, fonts from Google Fonts, and a brand reference guide built in Canva that keeps everything organized and accessible. Not a single paid subscription required. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. More practical design and branding content is coming, and I want to make sure you see it. Drop a comment and tell me what kind of brand you are building. I genuinely read every comment, and I would love to know what you are working on.